A cake. Lynn goes to her kitchen. She looks in the fridge.
Where is my cake?
Lynn sees her grandmother, Lucy, at the table.
Grandma, what did you just eat?
Lucy hides her plate.
A sandwich.
I can't find my cake.
That's strange. What does it look like?
It's a very small cake.
Are there oranges on the cake?
Yes, there are a lot of oranges on the cake.
Is your cake yellow?
Yes, my cake is yellow.
Is your cake very, very delicious?
Grandma, did you eat my cake?
No, I didn't eat it.
Okay, sorry. I'll make another chocolate cake.
Chocolate? But your cake was vanilla.
Ha! Yes, it was vanilla. You did eat my cake.